Hi, I'm Michael Deere. Welcome to Proactive Security, where your safety and peace of mind is our business. Our company has been around for over 25 years in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, where we've sold and installed tens of thousands of cameras. You can only imagine how many different manufacturers, brands, and companies we've tested throughout the years. Being a licensed installation company and a user of our equipment ourselves, we've experienced the pain of poorly made equipment. And even worse, subpar to no tech support when you need it the most. This is why you can count on Proactive Security to be there from start to finish, assisting you every step of the way with both a user-friendly and informative website. We know how frustrating it can be to deal with a faulty or low-quality equipment. This is why we've hand-selected the most reliable, best cameras on the market. We've also taken the time to handcraft all of our own user manuals, installation guides, and even videos demonstrating everything from how to pick the right equipment to how to install it. All of our videos and manuals can be found in our support section on the website. It shouldn't be hard to find support, and that's why here at Proactive Security, we firmly believe in free, lifetime, US-based tech support. And that's why every time you call, it will go directly here to our Dallas-based location, where a real security expert will answer any questions that you may have. You will never pay for support on any purchase made from Proactive Security. We've taken it a step further by offering free design consultation for every customer. This gives us the ability to work directly with you and design a security camera system based on your needs. Not only will we design and lay out the complete system, we also suggest the best equipment to get the job done properly. To get started, simply give us a call or submit a request on our website. With so many camera companies out there, why would you choose Proactive Security? Well, we offer free lifetime local Dallas support for everything we sell. We have an industry-leading warranty on all of our products. We offer free ground shipping on every order, and we even have an A+ rating with the BBB since 1999. With all that being said, in all of our years of experience, we truly are the premier security provider. I invite you to be proactive about your security.